the Clever Robin. Hilda was a pretty young hen. Her body was covered with soft red feathers. She lived in a small house near the river. One day, Hilda was going to the market. She wanted to buy grains. Willie was a cunning fox. He saw the healthy hen. His mouth started watering. He thought to himself, "This healthy hen can make a tasty meal for me and my family." Willie ran home. He told his lazy wife, Velma, to boil some water in a pot. Velma said,
Why do you want me to boil water?
Willie said,
Today, I will prepare a tasty meal for you and our children.
Velma said,
What are you making for lunch?
Willie said,
It's a surprise. You just boil some water.
Velma said,
Okay, I will keep the pot of boiling water ready.
Willie left the house with a big sack. He hid behind a tree and waited for the hen to return from the market. As Hilda passed by the tree, Willie caught her and put her in the sack. Ronnie, the Clever Robin, saw Willie catch Hilda. Hilda and Ronnie were best friends. He decided to help his friend. He thought of a plan. Ronnie flew and stood before Willie. He started hopping on one leg. Willie thought that Ronnie had hurt his leg. Willie said to himself, I must have this robin for my meal too. He kept the sack under a tree and ran after Ronnie through narrow roads. Ronnie thought, what a foolish fox he is. Ronnie was very clever.
He hopped and led the fox away from the tree.
Hilda slowly came out of the sack. She filled the sack with stones and ran away. When enough time had passed, Ronnie was sure that Hilda must have escaped and reached home. He also flew away. Willie was disappointed. He went back to the tree. He picked up the sack and went home. Velma said,
What have you brought for us?
Willie said,
A healthy, big and fat hen for you, me and our children. Now, please help me empty the sack.
Velma said,
Are you sure you got a hen? I find the sack very heavy.
Willie and Velma turned the sack upside down over the pot of boiling water. The heavy stones fell into the pot. The boiling water splashed all around. They not only had to go without food, but also got burnt on their faces and hands.